Hey you guys! So today I'm going to be teaching you about gallery walks, and I mean, what is a gallery walk? Basically, students walk around the room to different stations and learn about different things. These could be projects from other students, thought-provoking questions, prompts, or other activities. That's why I think gallery walks are so perfect, is they could be for literally any class or any activity. I mean, gym, for example. These could all be different games or exercises. For Spanish, all the stations could be for vocab words or mock conversations. I'll be talking about some English applications later, though. Why are gallery walks so important? Hogan 2011 describes them as the gallery walk instrument offers many advantages towards student learning, such as cooperative learning, peer assessment, practice on a variety of problems and tasks, and written and oral communication within the classroom setting. So, students can benefit from gallery walks in so many ways. As we can see in this little diagram here, our student can work by themselves, they could work with partners, they can kind of wander around and decide which station interests them the most at the time. And then there's just my citation. And then finally, some teacher applications I thought of were book reports. We all know book reports can take up a lot of class time, but this way, students knock out quite a few book reports at a time. The teacher can go around and grade them. Students could do book reports on posters or slideshows or even shoeboxes, and then just present to all of their classmates. And then another quick application I thought of were if we were reading a book, an example would be The Outsiders. Each station could be designated to a character of the book, so we could have Ponyboy, Johnny, Cherry, etc. And then each station could have their character bio and then maybe some questions about them. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for listening.